county are at the end of their tether with the pigs' oppressive taxes and are ready to rise up against it. The time to avenge Lord Woolsack's death is upon us. If you win this battle, then the tide will truly have begun to turn.
You have been charged to overthrow the pig's final county by laying siege to his stronghold. You have besieged this castle before, but it has since been rebuilt and now has a full garrison, so will prove to be a far greater challenge. Our simple but direct approach last time with the battering ram may not now be enough. Build some siege towers to scale his tall walls.
What'll it be? We're leaving now. Yeah. We're out of Maceman. What? All that way?
Tell us what to do.
Moving off! A message from the pig.
Run away, little chicken. I'm going to clip your wings. Off we go. What? What? All that way? Where are we going? Yes, boss. Yeah. Move, you dogs. Move! We're out of Maceman. What do you need? Need some muscle? What? All that way? Always ready. That's a long way. What? Here we go. What'll it be? Tell us what to do. Moving tower. Yes, my lordship. You can count on us. We're leaving now. Yes, boss. What? All that way?
Instructions!
Where are we going? That's a long way.
A message from Sir Longarm.
Our march continues, and we will make it back
We await orders.
Always ready. That's a long way.
Me lord, leaving now. Instructions. Moving off.
What'll it be? That's a long way. Jump to it. Sir, quick march.
We await orders.
Shoulder. Ready, sir. Arms.
Yes?
We're out of Maceman. You need?
Archers, ready. We are on our way.
Need some muscle? What? Move, you dogs.
My bow is yours. Leaving now. lord. Moving up.
Tell us what to do. Off we go. Serves me so. Yes, my lordship. Where are we going? Fall in! Reloading! Fire at will! Always ready! We're leaving now! Attain! Shot! Wait for it! Jump to it! Just so. What'll it be? Off we go! Yes, my lordship. We're leaving now. Off we go. Tell us what to do. How deep is it? The moat? Where are we going? Yes, my lordship. Always ready. What'll it be? Tell us what to do. We're leaving now. Off we go. Yes, my lordship. We're gonna get soaked. Shoulder!
Yes, what a lousy I ain't water. Great. Milk digging.
Ready, sir! I don't have a shot! I don't have a shot! Oh,
What a lousy I ain't water. What a lousy job. Yes, I ain't water. Great. What a lousy I ain't water. What a lousy I ain't water.
Fall in! There, history!
Yeah, great. What a lousy I ain't water. What a lousy I ain't yes, great. What a lousy I ain't water. What a lousy I ain't water. Great. Yes, boss. What a lousy job. Yeah.
We're out of
I ain't water. What a lousy job. I ain't water. Great. Yes, what a lousy job. I ain't water. What a lousy job. I ain't water. Great. What a lousy job. I ain't water. What a lousy I ain't water. What do you mean? Great. What a lousy job. I ain't water. What a lousy job. I ain't water. Great. What do you mean? What a lousy I ain't water. Yes, what a lousy I ain't water. Great. What do you mean? What a lousy job. I ain't water. What a lousy job. Yes, boss. I ain't water. Yeah. Great. What a lousy job. What do you need? Need some I ain't water. What a lousy job. Yes, I ain't water. How do we get there? How do we get there? What a lousy I ain't water. What? What a lousy I ain't water. Great. What a lousy job. I ain't water. What a lousy job. What? I ain't water. Yes, great. What a lousy job. I ain't water. What a lousy job. Need some muscle. I ain't what? Great. Milk digging. Yes, boss. What a lousy job. We're out of mace, men. What do you need? Need some muscle? What a lousy job. Yes, boss. I hate water. Great. Moat digging. What a lousy job. I hate water. Need some muscle. I hate water. Yes, great. What a lousy job. I hate water. What do you need? What a lousy job. I hate water. Yes, great. What a lousy job. I hate water. What do you need? What a lousy job. Need some muscle. I hate water. What? Great. Yes, what a lousy job. I hate water. What a lousy job. I hate water. Need some muscle. What? What a lousy job. I hate water. Where are the mace men? What a lousy job. I hate water. Great. Yes, what a lousy job. I hate water. Where are the mace men? I hate water. Need some muscle. What? Digging. What a lousy. I hate water. What a lousy. I hate water. Great. Need some muscle. What a lousy. I hate water. What a lousy. I hate water. Where are the what you need? What a lousy job. Need some muscle. What a lousy job. I hate water. Yeah, great. Where are the lousy water? What a lousy job. Need some muscle. What? Great. Yes. What a lousy. I hate water. Where are the lousy job. I hate need some muscle. What? Great. Yes. What a lousy. I hate water. What a lousy. I hate water. Need some muscle. Moat digging. What? What a lousy. I hate water. Yeah. What a lousy. I hate water. What do you need? Great. Need some what a lousy job. How do we get there? Yes, what a lousy job. Where are the mace men? Here we go. Great. What do you need? What a lousy job. I hate water.
You can count on us. Moving tower.
What? What a lousy. Yes, I hate water. Yeah. Where are the mace men? What do you need? Need some water. What? What a lousy job, boss. I hate water. Yeah. Great. Where are the mace men? I hate water. Need some what a lousy job.
Tower ready, sir. Moving tower. Where are we going? Always ready. We're leaving now.
What? Yes, I hate water.
Tower ready, sir.
Yeah.
Tower ready, sir. Moving tower.
Where are the mace men? What a lousy job. I hate water. What a lousy. I hate water. Great.
Where are the mace men?
I hate water.
Tower ready, sir.
Need some muscle. I hate water. Yes, boss. Great. Yeah. What a lousy job. Where are the mace men? Water.
What'll it be?
What do you need?
Ram ready,
Need some muscle. What? They won't know what it is.
Ram ready, my lord. Tower ready, sir. Tower ready, sir.
Yes, they're dead. Yeah. Chicken bash your mace men. What do you need? They won't know what it is.
Ram ready, my lord. We'll have it down.
Need some muscle. What? What a lousy. Yes, how do we get water? Yeah, they're dead.
Tower ready, sir.
Where are the mace men? What do you need? Need some muscle.
Ready, my lord.
What? Move you! Yes, boss.
Tell us what to do. Off we go. That'll be a little tricky.
Yeah. How do we get there? What do you need?
You can count on us.
Need some muscle?
Where are we? Piece of cake. Always ready. While it be, this'll be easy. Tell us what to do. You can count on us.
Yes, boss. Victory!